Fish on. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Yeah. That's a little fighter. Boom. Let's go. Yeah. Woo! Solo fishing at its finest. Ah! Yes, sir. That's a big sturgeon. Look at the lips. Woo! Done ripped them things. Woo-wee! You like that? Got nice skews on him. You know what I'm saying? But look at his mouth. And y'all wonder why we set the hook so hard? Look at his lip. Yes, sir. Catch and release, man. We're going back in the water. About a 30-minute soak up, baby. Catch and release. Going home.